Hey guys, today let's learn how to remove watermarks from photos using AI for free. So if you have a specific watermark on a photo that you want to remove, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to use AI to remove that for free. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to actually access a website called watermarkremover.io. And this is an online watermark remover that you could use for free. It supports formats such as PNG, JPEG, JPG, and WebP files as well. It also supports resolutions up to 5000 by 5000 pixels. Now, if you're ready to choose your preferred photo that you want to go and remove the watermark of, just go ahead and tap on Upload Image, and of course your file explorer will pop up. And what we need to do from here is to go ahead and choose the preferred photo file that we want to go ahead and use to remove the watermark of. In this case, I think I'm just going to go ahead and tap on this photo right here and wait for this to load once the image is already processing. And once that is already done, as you see, we now have the before and after of the photo. Now you could also go ahead and choose these options to remove the text and also remove the logo if you prefer to. In this case, let's see the results if we remove the logo or if we turn on the remove logo option. Of course, we have another waiting time to wait for because the image is going to start processing once more. But basically, once this is done, you may now have and see the results as well, the before and after, and you'll also have the option to save and download the image to your device to be used for whatever purpose that you want. As you see, the logo is now removed. We have the old photo right here with the logo and this text, and the new one doesn't have the logo and text anymore. Now that's how you guys could easily go ahead and remove the watermark on your photos using AI for free. Just tap on download image once you're done, and that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.